Photo manipulation. The art of combining multiple images to make an amazing final layout. It can be a book cover, movie cover, t-shirt design, or even an ad. My name is Youssef Zidan. I'm a graphic designer and photographer, and I will be your instructor throughout this course. Why you should take this course? Well, the art that made me love to enter graphic design world was photo manipulation. However, I was struggling to find a professional curriculum about it, but I found nothing. So I started teaching myself by reading and watching scientific articles and videos about the behaving of colors, lights, shadows, reflection, refraction, motion, and more. Then I combined that with my photography skill to make a very simple curriculum just for you. I made 10 easy principles that will help you to make a perfect realistic photo manipulation. After understanding those principles, I will make a full photo manipulation image using them to have a full understanding. After completing this course, you will be able to make any kind of photo manipulation. Besides that, you will master the most important photo editing techniques. The good thing about it is you have nothing to lose at all. You will have 30-day money-back guarantee if you don't like this course. So, what are you waiting for? Enroll now and meet me on your first lesson.